our remaining quiz.
So nice person for me. She just wanted to speak now, so before starting this round. Suvarna is present. Suvarna. Yash Jagtap. Okay. Suvarna is present now. Suvarna,
Yes, miss.
you are going to speak now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so students, before starting fourth round, we listen to Suvarna. She is going to speak about Science Day. Okay? Suvarna, you can start.
Yes, miss. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Suvarna Duttargi. I am from Standard 10th and I am going to speak today about Science Day. In India, every year, February 28th is celebrated as National Science Day. This day marks the discovery of the Raman effect phenomenon of the scattering of light by the Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. For the discovery of Raman effect, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 due to the contribution of C.V. Raman in the field of physics and in discovery. The Nation Council for Science and Technology Communication has proposed that every 28 February will be celebrated as National Science Day. The request was approved by the Government of India and from 1936 that is celebrated by the whole country. Why should we care about science? Science is not just about innovation and new technology. It is curiosity based. Science occurred in the age of stone when the cavemen learned what would happen when two stones were rubbed against one another. There was no internet that time, but the curiosity helped their brain grow in finding new knowledge. Theme of National Science Day. This year, the theme of National Science Day 2021 is Future of STI, Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. Every year, National Science Day is celebrated with a theme that spread the message about the importance of science. The theme is decided by the Department of Science and Technology. Maria Curia, only woman with two Nobel Prizes. This year's theme is highlights the future impact of science, technology and innovation in the field of education and work. Using new technologies, different innovations can be carried out. Science, technology and innovations are an essential part for the development, the economic and social development of our country. What is Raman effect? It is an inelastic scrambling of a photon by molecules, which means that there is an exchange of energy and a change in light direction. This effect is named by Raman scattering. This phenomena is also known as spectroscopy, which now utilizes the chemist and physicist to know about materials. What is purpose of celebrating National Science Day? This day is celebrated to show light on the importance of science in our daily life, also to show the achievements and the efforts made in the field of science for human welfare. National Science Day is celebrated to discuss the important issues facing the field of science. On 20th February 2009, the Indian Department of Science and Technology presented the National Award for Science and Communication to the five institutions in the country. These awards are presented to recognize the efforts of government and non-government bodies and the individuals who helped to make science popular in the country. In 2009 award ceremony, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center was awarded the highest award for their contribution to the science-related learning material and conducting different training programs on science education. Thank
Very good, Suvarna. Nice
you.
speech she gave on the Science Day. Thank you. Good. So we are going to start with the round 4. See students, as it is rapid fire, within a second you have to give the answer. Those who raise your hand first, that student will get chance to give answer. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
So we are starting now.
First
So the
question.
first slide. Which animal does not have skeleton? Yes, Ganga.
Earthworm.
Can you repeat?
Earthworm.
Earthworm. Yes. The next question. What name is given to the science of classification?
Sailja.
Sailja.
Taxonomy.
Taxonomy.
Good.
Correct.
Answer is taxonomy. Next. Which is the largest organ in human body? It's a rapid fire. Which is the largest organ in the human body? This is rapid fire. Tushar?
Skin.
Good. Answer is skin. Next question. You have to name this.
Not visible. Yes.
An amorphous form of carbon. It is made up of atoms hexagonally in sheets. Atoms are bounded hexagonally in sheets. You have to name this.
Which atom it is?
It is a form of another form of carbon. You are close.
Graphite.
Very good. Harini is right. Answer is graphite, which we use in our pencils, lead pencils. Right? It is not a lead. It's actually a graphite. Next question. Name the animal with the largest heart. Anyone? Harini? Tushar?
Blue whale.
Blue whales.
Blue whale.
Blue whale is the largest animal on the earth.
Yes.
Largest heart. Who is having largest heart?
Blue whale.
No?
Elephant.
No? It's not necessary. Is animal big? The heart should be big. Anyone?
Blue whale.
No? Correct answer is?
Dog.
Giraffe.
Human heart.
No.
The correct answer is giraffe. Our heart is only as of our feast. Right? Next. Which is the effective fire extinguisher?
Extinguisher. We use it in our daily life, which is used as fire extinguisher also. No.
Sand.
What?
Anyone?
Sand.
No.
No.
It is a very important thing which we need in our day-to-day life.
Water.
Yes.
Water.
Answer is water.
Next question. What color is the black box flight recording in the aircraft? Black box is present in every flight. But what is the color? Yes. Shreyas has given the right answer. The color is not black. It is actually red for its easily visibility. Next question. How many elements are present in the modern periodic table?
118.
Yes.
118.
118. Thank you. So here we have ended our quiz. Thank you, students, for joining with us. Have you enjoyed it or not? Students?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Was it useful for you?
Yes.
Very useful, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
This have
ma'am.
increased your knowledge? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Anyone
miss.
wants to present your views?
No, miss.
No.
Other students? From standard 11, anyone?
You are big students, you are grown-up students. You have to share your thoughts. Do you want to share your thoughts on this National Day? What do you
Standard
feel?
11 students, you are the representatives. So one of you
Yes.
can share your views.
You should come forward and share your views. Standard 11th, you are much mature now. Harini, do you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
How you are speaking in the class, that way you can speak here also. No other outside people are here, na? From standard 10 and 9, anyone wants to speak?
Ganga,
No,
Jnaneshwar,
miss.
No.
Vaishali.
Ashish?
Om. Swapnil.
Okay, so if from Monday school gets started, then no one will speak in the class. Huh? You have to shut your mouth always.
Because
Is it fine?
you are not speaking now. You are not speaking now, then you will not disturb the class also. Got it, everyone?
Yes. Yes, miss.
Is it fine for everyone?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay,
Yes.
keep in mind, Dhaneshwar, you are not going to speak at all in the class.
No, no, no.
Then say something.
Have you understood what Suvarna has said about Science Day? Why we are celebrating? What is special about this Science Day?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is the lady who got the first Nobel Prize? It's a Marie Curie. It's a Marie Curie.
Marie Curie.
Yes, she is the only lady who got in physics as well as in chemistry. Remember this also. She is the only lady who got in physics as well as in chemistry a Nobel Award. So you also start thinking. Who knows that you will also get a Nobel Prize, isn't it? Start
क्या
experimenting.
Nobel Prize?
Yes, if you studied more, explore, or if you invent something, you will get, no, Vaishali?
मिस करना तो आना चाहिए.
If you start, then you can do,
Yes.
na?
You should start thinking. You should start experimenting. You should start exploring. You should start inventing. Right?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So, thank you students again for joining with us. We had a nice time with you. And again, happy Science Day to everyone.
Happy Science Day, ma'am.
Happy Science Day, ma'am.
Happy
Same to
Science
you,
Day to
miss.
everyone.
Happy Science Day to everyone. Bye, students.
Thank you again. I'm
Bye,
ending this
miss.
meeting.